How to fix. You'll need internet for this error on Windows. 1. Reset the Windows Store via command prompt. Command, use reset.exe. 2. Flush DNS. Commands, IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / flush IP protocol configuration / renew netshare int IP reset netshare winsock reset plan B, IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flush IP protocol configuration / registered 3. Obtain an IP address from DHCP. 4. Re-register microstore store apps. Run get apps package elusives for each apps package. Disable development mode. Register $__install location \apexmanifest.xml command in PowerShell as administration. 5. Reinstall Microsoft Store. Run 2 commands in PowerShell as admin. Get apps package elusives Windows Store. Remove apps package. Get apps package elusives Windows Store for each apps package. Disable development mode. Register $__install location \apexmanifest.xml. 6. Enable built-in admin account. To do so, run net user administrator /active yes command in command prompt subsection under Windows Safe Mode.